Please take out your notebooks. We're going to be copying down some of the information that I'm going to give you. These are equations that you'll use over and over again when you start working with the quadratic equations that form parabolas. The standard equation for parabolas, for quadratic equations, is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In that standard form, we're going to be able to take out the coefficients of the a, the b, and the c in order to use in some of our other formulas. You'll use these over and over again. After we put our formula into the standard form, we can pull off the coefficients for a and put them into our other formulas. Our b term is located whenever you see b's, and whatever the value, the number value for c is, would go here. So you're going to want this equation as well. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the entire part is divided by 2a. This will make more sense to you when we start working with the equations. For right now, just please copy into your notes. If our x-axis is here, if our parabola touches the x-axis at one point, the parabola can touch it at 2 points, or the parabola can touch it at no points. Say it was this way. So this is called, these are called roots. This is one real root. This one has 2 roots, and this one has no roots at all. That's what this is referring to. Please copy it into your notes. These formulas have to do with circles. So just please copy what you see and keep it in your notebooks for future reference. Here are the formulas for an ellipse and a hyperbola. Here are some other formulas that you will need. This one will take some time to copy into your notes, but please be careful of putting all the information there with the appropriate arrows. This will save you a lot of time later. Please add to your notes. Now that you have all of these formulas into your notes, we can start to talk about the quadratic equations. These are prevalent on the ACT and SAT, and you will probably see them in many standardized tests that you might take along the way. Plus, it's certainly going to help you in your classroom with your classroom work. These formulas are so important that you have at your fingertips. After you work with them for a while, you'll probably commit some of it to memory, but the formulas are really your jumping off place for so many of the calculations that you're going to be exposed to.